Assalamu alaikum student. I am Nusra Yasmin for Beria College PA and ET. Okay. Now I will do the revision of Learn Words exercise, page number 39 from unit 3, the Honey Guide Revenge. Okay students. First I will give you definition of idiom. Okay student. An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning can't be understood from the ordinary meaning of the word in it. It means an idiom or phrase are words which meanings are different from which is given. For example, get off back. It is an idiom and its meaning is stop bothering me. The meaning is different from the phrase. Okay student? The next word is the idiom you hit the nail on the head. It means you are exactly right. The meaning of the phrase is different from the phrase. Okay student? Now come to the learn words exercise. Look at these sentences. Page number 39. Learn words exercise. Gingley picked up his tools and started walking. The phrase pick up. Pick somebody up has several meanings. Given below are some of the meanings. Here are the words. One word of phrase given pick up, but their meanings are different. Okay students? Number 1, pick up, to get better, to improve. Pick up, second meaning is, number 2, to learn something without really study it. Number 3, pick up, the word is same, the phrase is same, but meaning is different. Number 3 is, to collect something from a place. Pick up. Number 4 meaning is, to buy something very cheaply. Number 5, pick somebody up. It means to collect somebody in your car. Now come to the exercise on page number 40. The exercise is which meaning of pick up is used in the sentences below. Write the number next to it. There is given one example. I picked up some vegetables for my mother on the way home. In box, you will write number 3. In number 3 meaning is to collect something from a place. It means pick up means to collect something from a place. A is the carpenter picked up his tool and went into the shed. In box, you will write 3. It is also meaning is to collect something from a place. Number B is ice cream sales will pick up in summer. In box, you will write 1. It means to get better, to improve. C is she picked up French when she was in Paris. You will write in box 2 and it means to learn something without really studying it. Number D is we picked up some real bargains at the discount sale. You will write in box 4. It means to buy something very cheaply. E is my father will pick me up at the airport. You will write in box 5. It means to collect somebody in your car. Okay students? Learn the definition of idiom and learn what is 5 different meaning of pick up. There are given 5 different meanings, first, second, third and fourth. You will learn these meaning of pick up. It is your homework. Okay student? Thank you.